Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Mahanabami look. In the day 1 Mahashushti, we created a western look, and in the Mahasaptami we created ethnic look, and on Mahashtami we created a sari look. This is Mahanabami, so this is again gonna be a western look and with a cute kind of look. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today I'm gonna be styling this dress over here, and I hope you like the overall look and all. These are my instruments to start with my makeup. I'm done prepping my skin using the snail mucin and the consist chemi sunscreen, and this is how it is looking right now. And today I'm gonna be creating a graphic liner look, as the graphic liners are so much in trend right now, like they're literally super in trend right now. And as you know me, I don't use foundations. My old good friend is this Swiss Beauty Concealer. I don't know why I'm keep saying old good friend. This is a tagline for me. That's how I describe this concealer. Again, blending it with my fingers. Today I'm thinking of doing a lifted technique, so I'm using a bit concealer on my lifted eye areas. Again, blending with my hands. Like, can you see how natural it is looking? Let me show you with this side. Like, using your fingers, like it literally gives you so much natural finish and natural coverage. I just cannot believe how amazing it looks. As I'm gonna create a graphic liner, so today I will be concealing my eyelids. Okay, I just need a sponge to dab this product on my eyelids, and I'm gonna quickly set it with this white kind of powder, because I want my eyelids to be like to look whitish, so that my graphic liners pops more beautifully and more prominently. Now I'm taking my yellow eyeliner, as my dress had yellow and pink patterns, so I'm gonna be doing my eyes with a yellow and pink. So see how I do this. So first I'll be drawing long strand along with my crease side, and then 3 little balls. So that's how they are finally looking. So this is one this is half of the work, and the other half I'm gonna use a pink liner. For the pink, I'm gonna be going like this kind of shape. So this is gonna be from the down from the bottom eye, and then going up and making a U, and then going back here again. So let's do it. This could be a tricky part, but trust this process. Just trust this process. Filling the area. I feel like if I add few more dots around the U, this will look more cool. Let's do this anyways. Eyes are done. Now let's curl the lashes and apply mascara. Get to the brows, warm the blush here, and then apply it for a natural finish. For this look, I prefer a sun-kissed blush, using the same loose powder, and today I'm using very less quantity just to set everything in one place. Finally, I'm taking Blue Heaven Heartbreak Red Lip Tint, silk and satin, because I wanna go all pinky with the looks. Okay. And the best part is that this lip tint is exactly the same in color with my eyes, especially the pink one. So that's why a bit more. The highlighter, it is from the brand Insight Cosmetics. Taking it with my middle 2 fingers and tapping it. This highlighter is so natural that I can take it to my whole even under my eyes, to give this shine, beautiful shine, because it looks so natural when you use your fingers and dab it around your face. Finally, setting everything with this Blue Heaven Prep and Fix primer and setting mist. And you know the trick, after applying a ton of setting mist, take your beauty blender, okay, it is really in bad condition, and press everything for the utmost natural finish. Now let's change into the hairstyle. You can again go with this normal hairs, but I'm adding few things, few elements in my look. So I'm using this clips. This is the tiny little clips with my in my hairstyle today, and see how it performs. It is totally optional. It just adds an essence in my look. That's what I feel. Here's mainly I'm taking the front section and I'm making braids. I'm securing the ends with this blue clip, blue tiny clip, blue, I don't know what they call, I have no idea, but look how cute it is looking. I'm gonna do the same on this side and I'll be right back. And making the same length, and boom. Next I'm again taking a chunk of hair from this side, and you can take as much as you like, and again I'm gonna make braids. A purple clip and securing the ends again, but this time we won't stop here. We're gonna add colors from top to the end, so that's how we are going. Let's do the same on this side as well. So that's how they are looking currently, and honestly I don't know what much to say. I am in love with the hairs right now. Let's change into the dress. Apparently I should have ironed the dress. Hope you like it, hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to drink a lot of water, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.